Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy. And normal days ki tarah again we are back in the car, but this time we are taking you to Sally. And yes guys, say hi.
Hi, I love you. We are going to hotel. So guys, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Eid
Thank
Mubarak
you.
to everyone.
Okay, Eid Mubarak.
Lebanon.
Oh my god. Okay, so guys, this time we are going to a place where we have taken a villa, and the villa is not that expensive, and secondly we have a kitchen where we can cook. हम लोग खाना बना सकते हैं, we can do a lot of stuff, and we will see some skills of Sharma ji cooking because I want to relax. Sharma ji will be the one who will do all the work, right?
Best thing is Sally has one very good restaurant also, Indian restaurants. So अगर हम लोगों को ज़्यादा ही हो जाएगा और हमसे नहीं बन पाएगा तो हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट से ऑर्डर भी कर सकते हैं. That's the best part.
Yeah.
We did that only in a hotel.
So basically, we want to be safe, and we want to
No,
be.
but this hotel has they do have a restaurant, they do have buffet, everything they have. But we have not taken that package. We have taken a package where we took a villa. In the villa, they have a kitchen as well. So let's see.
Okay, so let's see. Let's go, guys. There is no one, okay, in the gate also.
What is this
I
place?
think this is the hotel, but we are a bit confused. Go and check out.
I am.
Nimla. वो कौन है Nimla इसी?
सा से निम्जा हो
Nimza
गया.
और सिटी.
Hello. We saw Miss. So guys, the villa that we booked, we are not able to find that villa. I'll just show you. Look at this place. Anyone can, forget the roads here. See this. So we are now searching for another option. Sharma ji is busy in his phone. Sharma ji, are we going to get some place to stay or not?
The villa we can find out if you want, but she is not ready to stay there.
No, but this place is so aloof. हमें कुछ breakfast खाना है, lunch करना है, dinner करना है, because all hotels are booked here in Sally.
No, see, in that hotel, all the restaurants, everything, bar is available. Nothing is not. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ नहीं available है.
No, but I want to be in Sally.
This kind of apartment will be there.
Guys, so हम लोग भटक गए हैं. So finally, one Senegali boy is helping us. Otherwise, we will not reach our destination. हम पूरे गांव में आ चुके हैं. ये देखो गांव. This is the गांव.
Chikanam. Okay. Parle français? Okay. हाँ? Hawal. Ana भी?
ये हेल्प कर रहा है हमारी.
B route. Damla Chikaram.
Saurabh is talking all of.
Okay.
नहीं खुला. No. Over laba. We okay, merci. पैसे दे देते हैं.
Inshallah.
Boy. Okay, go.
Okay, so that guide showed us the route to exit this village. We are in some village. Sharma ji.
Senegal.
So guys, we have reached the villa finally. I'll just show you.
I just don't like it.
Wait. See.
Kalahari.
अबे कलामारी खाते हैं, कलामारी बोलते हैं.
Look at this.
I cannot skate in this time.
We have reached our destination, Google. Shut up now.
You have nothing. You have just better boat and cruise.
Yes. that was 20. That was 20. So it's somewhere near. Guys, this resort is so big that we cannot find our villa number.
15.
Can you imagine?
Very excited. I'm very excited.
Let's go, let's go. Finally we found our villa number. This is the villa, guys.
Papa, in the villa we have our own swimming pool.
This is a shared swimming pool.
It's our own.
It's a shared. Come on, let's go.
But Mama, is this our swimming pool?
It is a shared swimming pool. You don't understand English?
But is it for our or... Oh, this is for... come on, a dragon!
Chalo, let's go, let's go.
Need to come on to second time. Why behind the apartment there is all this? I cannot.
So much of greenery, guys. Have a look at it.
Our own villa.
Sahir, are you coming or are you staying back? See this.
Yeah,
Whoa.
oh, yeah.
So we have got our villa.
I don't like that villa. I want to stay.
Wow, look at this. Mangoes. Itta bada aam. Whoa. So many mangoes. I'm going to pluck them.
Il y a un restaurant, il est juste à la sortie. Quand vous pouvez être au niveau des gardiens, à 5 minutes, là, juste à gauche, à 5 minutes à pied, pas besoin de voiture. Vous sortez, vous passez à gauche des gardiens, là le restaurant est là.
C'est
Sali, c'est loin ici ou...
Non, c'est à 5 minutes en voiture, vous êtes à 5 minutes. 5 minutes du centre, 5 minutes de la plage.
Ok, merci.
Ok. On sert les petits déjeuners face à la terrasse. Si vous voulez les prendre ici, on les sert face à la terrasse entre 8h et 11h le matin. Voilà.
It is so damn calm. Let me show my viewers. Oh my god, look at this bed.
Look at Sahir's bed.
Sahir's bed is there upstairs.
So go upstairs.
Wow, shoes to utar do. Wow, look at this.
Can we go to
And guys, this is all AC'd. See this. See this. With the mosquito thing.
Where is it?
This is the toilet here. Oh, let me switch on the lights. Oh, they have a small refrigerator here. Look at that. This is the small toilet. And see this, guys, the bathroom. So this resort is quite huge, quite big. आम देखो यार, आम देखो, सब छोड़ो, ये देखो आम कितने सारे हैं यार. Wow. Hello, kabutars.
Hi.
Wow. Look at this fat one. कितना खाया इसने? कितना खाया तुम लोगों ने? Wow. Say you like it? अरे बैग तो उतार दे. You've reached your hotel.
एक शूज पहना, एक शूज पहना मैं.
I am in love with these mango trees, यार. Guys, देखो. Wow. अरे बस तेरे को काटेंगे बड़ी जल्दी. Don't worry. So. Finally, we guys have reached. Bahar mein, this is the chair they have put to have coffee, tea, and there's another chair there. AC on कर लिया? सामान तो लिया अंदर, सामान भारी छोड़ना है. वो टॉयलेट में है गाड़ी की चाबी. Said is enjoying. Ooh. Sharma ji has become Kadi. You're going to change twice. I'm not even carrying those many clothes.
अरे गर्मी लग रही है शर्ट में तो.
अच्छा बेटा. अच्छा बेटा. Okay. साइकिल रख दो यहीं पे. Keep it there. Yes. Let's go. अभी खा लें कुछ. स्विमिंग करना है. We have not even eaten anything. अमरूद. Ah. Oh my God! Look at this. Guys, just check. Such big amrood. Wow.
Ooh, I like pear. This is pear, right?
This is pear नहीं. ये pear नहीं है. ये अमरूद है भाई. अमरूद. Guys, we have come to their restaurant, the Villa restaurant, and here what we saw. ये single बंदे के लिए है भाई. Just look at this, guys. Look at from inside. Ooh. I think you can have a ride as well. Oh, they have many inside. They have many inside. Sabi, Sobo. Sobo, they have many inside. Come here. Wow. See this. Side hut jao, Sabi. Move, ata. Side, come.
ये fly करता है.
Yes. Hut jao. See this, guys. I'm going to show you. Look at this. You can take a ride as well. Whoa, Sahir. Do you see this?
Wow.
Wow.
I want it.
You want it? Now let's eat. Come, let's eat. Come, let's eat. Let's eat food and then we can think about it. Come. So guys, we checked out the restaurant, but we are going out right now because we want to go and sit in a happening place. This is a nice place, nice restaurant, but
No, I don't want to go out of this hotel.
you don't want to go out. देखो ride करा दूंगी वहाँ पे orange वाले helicopter में.
नहीं.
Wow.
No,
Let's go eat.
you are the only one who's gonna go and eat.
So guys, we are eating at La Petite Zing. It's a very good restaurant, reasonable. और वो देखो monster trucks. Maybe we'll take one. But this is the restaurant we are going to.